Hello, my name is Juan Felipe Salcedo. I live in the city of the Jumbo and I work in Instituto Municipal de Cultura. I study Administración de Empresas and I'm going to talk about deforestation and forest fire in Amazonas as a strategy to expand agriculture, frontier and pasture to feed livestock. To begin with, the cause of deforestation are several, and the deforestation that take place in the Amazon is cruel and excessive. This is done in order to obtain primary material for the wood industry. When an art has been completed clear, it is used by livestock farmers to raise their animal and supply the food industry. It is estimated that there are that will be used for agriculture, to feed livestock, and for human consumption. They plan to build highway, urbanize part of the territory, and even burn vegetation to accelerate deforestation. This represents a public health problem. It also interrupts the natural cycle between animal and the environment. Many of the species that inhabit this area of the planet are being eliminated to the store flames, and the immense smoke generated by the fire. People living in around they are already victims of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and the premature mortality rate has been considered a consequence of the activities. The smoke for the fire interact with the core and the sun in a unpredictable way, generating a reduction in precipitation and the unleashing strong heat wave and drought throughout the extensive Amazonic territory. The country that has been most active in deforestation is Brazil, representing the large forest territory. Deforestation triggered a loss not only of trees, but also of the habitat the from, and therefore the special that find refuge their disappear. Additionally, the weather cycle, soil regeneration, mechanics, and local climate dynamic are already to help Amazon rainforest. We can complete with a series of activities that I will mention below. Mm, Avoid palm oil. Part of Amazon territory is deforested for the cultivation of the plant. Reduce your meat consumption. Much of the meat products come from cattle raised in the Amazon. Take political action. Raise your voice so the people listen to the and become aware. Sign a petition. Educate yourself and try to educate others. Okay, thank you. Bye.